Hi guys, I'm Abigail Akwe and welcome back to today's Bigger Booty Drink. This is a protein shake video to help you grow your butt muscle after exercising. In no way is this drink going to just grow your butt muscle without exercising. It's not miraculous. There is no miraculous food that will get just the bum to grow. But if you perform a progressive booty exercise to strengthen your glute muscle and you take this drink, definitely your butt will be growing and other body parts won't be growing that much, because the nutrients from this drink is going to help grow just the butt muscle in combination with exercising. So we're using coconut for this protein shake, a raw one. Everything is all fresh, and we're using banana, avocado, and eggs. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do if you're using a raw coconut is to crack open the coconut and then bring out the main flesh from the inside. And to do that, get a heavy object and break open the coconut. If you like, you could drink the water. That's fine. It is very refreshing. If you don't, just pour it away or keep it aside. You'll use it later when you're trying to blend the coconut. The next thing you want to do is, peel off the flesh from the scale. Does that make sense? You're seeing what I'm doing here. Then after that, you want to wash the coconut and throw them into a blender. So when you throw them into a blender or a food processor, you want to just blend it very smooth so you can extract the juice. When you start blending initially, it will all be so dry, so you need to add a little bit of water to it so you can extract the juice and blend fully as many times as possible. You also want to cover up the food processor, else it will splash out the whole coconut all over the place. Then next thing you want to do is extract the coconut juice. You need a filter here, very tiny hold filter, to get off the juice so you don't have particles of the coconut shafts. When you have extracted the coconut water, you just need to move on to the next step here. The next step here is just for you to wash your blender off, that's your food processor, wash them clean and bring it back. Then you want to throw in the banana, everything in the blender, pour in your coconut juice, add your egg, your avocado, and then you want to blend everything to a smooth consistency. So a little bit of a briefing for all the nutrients that you'll get from this protein shake. With your coconut, you have the option to get vitamin A, E, C, B, and you have also magnesium. And of course, magnesium is a very good nutrient that helps boost your testosterone level, which actually promotes muscle growth. The same thing is applicable with your banana. It has magnesium as well, and it also has calcium, which actually helps strengthen your bone in order to carry out and perform your workout effectively. Banana also helps you get enough energy to carry out your workout. It helps serve as a carbohydrate in this protein shake and also a good source of taste to this protein shake. The avocado has high fats, healthy fats actually, vitamin A, and a lot of other nutrients that are necessary to helping protect your heart and also helping preserve muscle growth. So with this put together and your egg, which is the main thing, the protein here, you will have your butt muscle growing so fast. And of course, you know what the benefit of protein is. I've always talk about it. Protein is a building block for any muscle you are trying to grow. It helps you repair, build, and replace new cells, grow, regenerate, everything about developing new cell or functionality to your muscle. This is the work of protein in size. So guys, that's the benefit of this protein shake summary, and I hope this has helped you. Don't forget to like and share, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe and turn on the post notification. I provide you videos like this on a regular basis. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.